Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So yesterday, as the forex market and the gold market, as you can see, price shown a really significant rally. That was due to the Fed minutes results, so it was not really as hawkish as investors would like to hear and to see, because mostly Fed stands that they will take a look at the inflation, and inflation right now not sufficient to support the pace of the current rate increasing. So that was a bit dovish comments, and that has led to the weakness of United States dollar, and as a result a rally on the gold on the forex market. So what we have as a result of this rally, so it's interesting, but indeed our grabber that we have discussed yesterday, it's valid, and market hasn't shown any deeper retracement on intraday charts. And take a look, yesterday it was another bullish grabber, so it's rather deep because market has started action right below the MACD line. But right now, this is the second grabber in a row. Even more, here probably we could get the third one. So where we have the lows, 82.36, 82.28. No, right now we don't have any grabbers here, but these two grabbers suggest the taking out of this top. As you know, guys, between this top and actually higher in this area, we do not have any significant resistances. So we have some intermediate target of the ABCD pattern around 13 even. But here probably a lot of stops were placed and market will break it up. They could be triggered and probably will be triggered because this is a cold market, and that led market to reach the next target. Next target stands at 1320 area. This is the butterfly extension. But also, guys, we have the large ABCD pattern on the weekly chart. The 618 extension of this pattern also has the same destination points around 1320. We have discussed this in our weekly research. So that's the next destination point. Appearing of the grabbers definitely suggests that market should take out of the stop. And probably we could suggest that market will take out these stops as well. So that's what we'll be watching for. So currently, guys, it's a bit some tricky moment because we do not know whether retracement will happen. But if the retracement will happen here, that could let us chance to take the long position and possess ourselves with this upward breakout. So on the forward time frame chart, you can see the market has started upward direction precisely from the 618 support. Yes, we have suggested the butterfly pattern, but that was a bit not really typical situation because mostly due to the fundamentals. So fundamentals overrules technicals, because by technical analysis we have here the ABCD pattern that we have discussed, and the technicals suggest the deeper retracement a bit below 66. We have discussed this yesterday, so that's the butterfly is more logical, should be here, but the fundamentals has breaking this normal technical behavior and turns market immediately to the upside. As a result, we've got not the butterfly, but we've got perfect Gardas triple to buy right at the bottom. So you can see how market starts. So we have the thrust up, ABCD retracement, buying opportunity and upward action. So right now, guys, all that we could do here is just watching for a bounce. Thrust up is really looks nice, and maybe market could here could form either the double repulse sell pattern, maybe the bread and butter buy. So anyway, if market will show retracement to the 3.1280 area, that probably could become the chance to go long and possess ourselves with a possible upside breakout of the 13 even area. So because technical patterns that we have on a daily chart, the rally that we have here, mostly suggest particularly this kind of behavior. So that's what we'll be watching for in today's session.